Oui, bonjour, and welcome to CDM Central. Today, we are rattling the pots and pans in the cyber kitchen. No, we have all been doing plenty of cooking at home during the pandemic. I ask, is it too early for a glass of wine? Alors, in today's program, we will be joined by the top CDM chefs from both government and industry. Of course, we have the maestro, Kevin Cox, the CDM lead. But we are also stirring up the cyber sauce with Sis's Judy Bolzenberger, Education's Steve Hernandez, HHS's Robert Tagalakod, and SPA's James Saunders. I do hope you brought your appetite.